Confirm pairing, does this password match? Yes. Verifying the password. Now, it's also got CarPlay. This also has CarPlay, so it's also Bluetooth CarPlay, so you don't have to plug it in and enable CarPlay. Apple CarPlay, please note that this will allow data to be transferred between your vehicle and Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. So we'll click on that. Connecting Barry's iPhone 15 Pro to Apple CarPlay. So we'd already connected it to the Bluetooth. The best system is Apple CarPlay. That's it. So that now, when I get in this car, I don't have to touch my phone. For instance, how to set the sat nav. If I go to nav in this car, click on nav, you can enable this function in the shop. You know, you've got to pay extra for it. It's already in here. The screen's already here. Unable to start the shop. So I'm not bothered about it anyway. So now I can put my phone down. It's like Apple CarPlay, it's absolutely fantastic. Along with voice activation, you don't have to touch the phone here. You don't have to do anything. 2 seconds on the voice activation. Navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
It says go there. You can either press it, or if you just wait, it will take you anyway. Now also you see the share the ETA button. If you're meeting somebody there and you're on your way and they're coming from somewhere else, share the ETA with them and you'll be able to see where they are and they'll be able to see where you are. That's a fantastic thing. It saves you ringing up and saying, hey, where are you, or whatever. You're on the way, you fancy a coffee. 2 seconds, voice activation. Take me to Costa Coffee.
One possibility I see is Costa Coffee on Queen Street in Preston. It adds 9 minutes to your route. How about that one?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Costa Coffee.
So there you go. En route, it can redirect you to a coffee shop, and then as soon as you've got that, it's going to take you to Manchester Airport. It's absolutely brilliant. Music. Shuffle records.
Now shuffling 100 rock records on Apple Music.
I'll just show you there. So that'll shuffle all my records. If you want to play a single track, play Cold Little Heart.
Here's Cold Little Heart, radio edit, by Michael Kiwanuka.
So you can play a single track, whatever you want. You can ask it to shuffle all your records. You can send a text. Text Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Volkswagen Troc. It's really a brilliant invention.
It says, I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Volkswagen Troc. It's really a brilliant invention. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send, please.
Done.
There you go. So on your phone you get a message, but you're driving, so you can't look at your phone, you can't pick it up, but you see you've got a message here. What you can do, voice activation, 2 second, voice activation button, 2 seconds. Read messages.
Barry said, I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Volkswagen Troc. It's really a brilliant invention. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.
So you've also got a Zap Map there, you've got Audible, Amazon Music. You know, it's just such a good system. Your calendar, no events today. Let's see, go back. Drive Smarter. If I go into Drive Smarter, that's telling me every time I come near a speed camera or anything, that tells me, gives me a warning. Not that I speed. Podcasts. Just an absolute brilliant system. That's the main screen, so you can show your navigation, you can show what's playing on the audio system, on the music system, media, and then it's also telling you your next turn. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.